Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best vegan laundry detergent is probably one of the most important decisions you can make for your household, especially if you're looking to reduce your environmental impact and ensure the safety of your family's skin. In a world where sustainability and ethical consumerism are gaining traction, choosing a laundry detergent that aligns with your values is becoming increasingly crucial. This review will delve into the top-rated vegan laundry detergents, examining their effectiveness, ingredients, packaging, and overall value, so you can make an informed choice for a cleaner home and a healthier planet. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Introducing a revolutionary way to do laundry. These compact sheets deliver powerful cleaning for all your clothes, tackling tough stains and odors effectively. Forget messy jugs and complicated measurements. These pre-measured sheets simplify your laundry routine, making them perfect for both home and travel. Enjoy a light, fresh scent that leaves your laundry smelling clean and crisp. They are gentle on your skin and free from harsh chemicals. Make a difference with every wash. These sheets eliminate plastic jugs and are made with eco-friendly ingredients, designed with the planet in mind. Proudly made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. We are committed to providing a safe and effective laundry solution for everyone. Dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic, these sheets are gentle on sensitive skin. Yet, they are powerful enough to tackle your toughest laundry challenges. With every purchase, you help us donate laundry detergent to those in need. Join us in making a positive impact, one load at a time. What we like? Tired of bulky plastic jugs and messy liquids? These laundry sheets offer a powerful clean without the waste. If you're looking for a convenient, eco-conscious option for both home and travel, these are a fantastic choice. They tackle tough stains and odors effectively, making laundry day simpler and greener. What people say? This detergent is very effective at removing stains. It has a light, pleasant scent that is not overpowering. The detergent is gentle on fabrics and does not cause fading. Number 4. Ecos Laundry Detergent Liquid, Magnolia Lily. Discover a laundry detergent that's tough on stains but gentle on your skin. It's dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic, making it perfect for the whole family. Feel good about your laundry routine with our climate-positive and sustainable formula. It's pH-balanced, vegan, and cruelty-free, reflecting a commitment to the planet. Our detergent is free from parabens and phosphates, ensuring it's kind to your clothes and the environment. It won't pollute waterways when it enters the ecosystem. Experience the power of nature with our plant-powered formula. It provides 200 loads of effective cleaning, all while being kind to sensitive skin. This product is EPA Safer Choice certified, meaning it performs exceptionally well and contains ingredients that are safer for both human health and the environment. Proudly made in the USA, our detergent is crafted in a true platinum zero waste factory. We use 100% renewable energy for a truly sustainable clean. Since 1967, we've been dedicated to creating safer, powerful products. As a Black-owned and woman-led company, we are committed to visible results and ethical practices. What we like? Seeking a detergent that's kind to your skin and the planet? This liquid option is dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, and vegan. If you have sensitive skin or are committed to sustainable choices, its plant-powered formula and EPA Safer Choice certification make it a great pick. Plus, it's made in a carbon and water-neutral factory. What people say? This doesn't cause any reaction, as good as baby detergent. It's very thick, and you're clearly getting a good, concentrated version. The first time I used it, I added a lot like I do with some other detergents, and my washer went into suds mode, because I apparently added too much. I was impressed, as that means it will last me a lot longer. Cleans well with no heavy scent and residue. The price is affordable. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, something I was desperately looking for. Number 3. Poesie Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Tired of bulky plastic jugs? Discover a cleaner, greener way to do laundry. Our innovative sheets offer a powerful clean without the waste. Experience a deep clean that's tough on stains but gentle on fabrics. These hypoallergenic sheets are perfect for sensitive skin. Enjoy the refreshing scent of clean laundry, free from harsh chemicals. It leaves your clothes smelling great and feeling soft. Lightweight and portable, they're ideal for home, dorms, travel, camping, and even hand washing. Say goodbye to spills and messes. Make a sustainable choice with our non-plastic, biodegradable laundry sheets. Reduce your environmental impact with every wash. No more measuring or spills. Just toss a sheet in the wash for a perfectly clean load every time. Laundry day just got easier. What we like? Looking for a zero-waste laundry solution that's easy to use anywhere? These detergent sheets are designed for ultimate convenience and minimal environmental impact. If you value a clean, fresh scent and a hypoallergenic formula, especially for dorms, travel, or camping, these sheets are ideal. They offer a no-mess, no-waste way to get your clothes clean. What people say. These laundry sheets works well on average dirt and grime. The lightweight design makes them easy to travel to and from my apartment to the laundry room, without having to worry about spills of any kind from this detergent, because they're made into sheets and are not loose or liquid. I like these sheets, because there's no measuring when it comes to putting them into the washer, and the sheets dissolve all the way leaving no residue on my clothes. Number 2. Sudstainables Laundry Detergent Sheets, 200 loads. Tired of bulky plastic jugs? Discover a revolutionary way to do laundry with Sudstainables. Our dissolvable sheets offer a powerful clean without the mess. These compact sheets are a sustainable alternative to traditional liquid and powder detergents. They take up minimal space and are kind to the planet. Simply toss a sheet into your washing machine. It dissolves completely, leaving no residue behind. Enjoy a hassle-free laundry experience. Lightweight and travel-friendly, these sheets are ideal for on-the-go. Pack them easily for trips without worrying about spills. Experience the refreshing scent of fresh linen with every wash. Your clothes will come out smelling clean and revitalized. Each package provides an incredible 200 loads of powerful cleaning. That's a long-lasting solution for your entire family's laundry needs. What we like? Need a compact and mess-free laundry detergent alternative? These dissolvable sheets offer a powerful clean in a travel-friendly format. If you dislike the bulk of liquid or powder detergents and want an easy-to-store, easy-to-use option, these are perfect. They provide a fresh linen scent and are designed for all washing machines. What people say. Clothes are clean and sweet-smelling. It has made laundry so Michigan easier for me. Clothes come out clean and smelling great. Number 1. Biokleen Natural Laundry Detergent. Introducing Biokleen Natural Laundry Detergent, a powerful cleaner derived from plants. It's tough on stains but gentle on fabrics. Our eco-friendly formula is designed with the planet in mind. You can feel good about using it in your home. This detergent is safe for use around kids and pets. It contains no artificial colors or preservatives, ensuring a healthier clean. Experience the concentrated power of this liquid detergent. A little goes a long way, providing up to 300 loads of clean laundry. Choose a naturally better way to do laundry. Enjoy fresh, clean clothes with the purity of nature. What we like? Want a highly concentrated, eco-friendly liquid detergent that lasts? This plant-based formula is safe for kids and pets, with no artificial colors or preservatives. If you prefer a traditional liquid detergent but want a natural, effective clean for a large number of loads, this is an excellent option. It's gentle yet powerful, making it suitable for the whole family. What people say. It is long-lasting, smaller doses from a massive jug, truly kills the bacteria in its cleaning process, and no fragrance chemicals. This ultra-concentrated, plant-based formula is designed to tackle tough stains while being safe for kids, pets, and those with sensitive skin. It really does clean well. You may have to adjust how much soap you use, or how big of a load of laundry you are washing, especially if you are doing a load that has sweaty, stinky, or soiled clothing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.